Hi, Nick Huston here for Gotham Sound. We have the Sennheiser EK 6042 in the house only for a little while, and I wanted to give you a quick look at it so you can see it. The EK 6042 is the new Sennheiser receiver that'll receive any Sennheiser transmitter except for the AVX systems. So let me give you a look. All right, so here it is, the Sennheiser EK 6042. Right now we've got it with the backplate that has TA5 connectors that you can externally power. So there's a Hiroshi power port here, 4-pin Hiroshi. There's a headphone jack, and there's two TA5s, one for main out 1 and 2, one for aux 1 and 2, and the main out can be changed to AES3. Look around the front, it's a pretty straightforward user interface. You've got your menu button over here, escape button over here, up and down here, and then what's nice too is there's a built-in TA5 to replicate the main outputs in case you need more outputs, or in case you're doing it on a slot camera that doesn't have internal 2 channels, kind of like the Sony. Anyway, so to set it up, we're going to set it up today with a Sennheiser 9000 digital transmitter and a G3 handheld right here. So to set it up again is pretty easy. Just go into the menu, and then you would see you've got channel 1 settings. We already have the transmitter selected for the 9000, but you could either go in here and go through the list. And you see we have a Sennheiser 9000 on the list. There's a G3, and there's all the other Sennheiser transmitter options, but we'll leave it on the Sennheiser 9000. And then if you turn on the Sennheiser 9000, you'll see that we are indeed, channel 2 is not working so well, but channel 1 is getting good sound. So for channel 2 with the G3 has infrared. So if we want to check the G3, we can actually add it via infrared. So I'm going to turn it on. There we go. It's on. And then we're going to search via infrared. So I'm just going to find there's the infrared port. We can line up the infrared port, and boom. It's been added. Sees that it's a Sennheiser G3. And then for the frequency, we're set to 566 here. We could just set it on our transmitter, but instead we will, oops, what am I doing? What did I do wrong? So we could just set it on the transmitter, but instead, let's sync it via infrared. Boom. So now, we've got 2 channels of RF, one on the Sennheiser Digital 9000 series, and the other on a Sennheiser G3 transmitter. So pretty easy to use. A couple other things that you see in there, which is kind of nice, is straightforward menu settings, and at the very bottom there's a nice spectrum scanner. So you can scan pretty much the whole spectrum and decide if you have a bunch of different transmitters that you could choose from. You can choose which one would be a better fit for you. So, and you can just scroll back and forth with that. Okay, so that's the Sennheiser 6042. It's available now. It's a stereo receiver. It will receive 2 different transmitters, and receives pretty much anything in the Sennheiser line. Thanks so much for watching, and if you'd like to see more videos, you can go to our archives on Vimeo or YouTube. You can follow us on Facebook and Twitter, and if you have any ideas for things that you'd like to see in the future, please email us at info@gothamsound.com. Thanks for watching. Whoop, whoop.